We're definitely looking at a future where AI could be everywhere, right? Unlocking all sorts of potential.
Absolutely. It's pretty exciting.
But what if, getting your hands on the really powerful stuff, the next gen models, meant you had to prove who you are? Like, really prove it.
That's exactly what we need to unpack today. There's this potential new thing from OpenAI brewing.
Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah, so OpenAI might require organizations to verify their ID to use certain future AI models through their API.
Future models, okay.
Right. They put up a support page about it just last week. It hints at this change.
So developers, companies, anyone using their advanced tech, this could be a new hurdle, a verification step to get to the cutting edge.
Precisely. It's about showing you're, well, a legitimate organization.
And that's what this deep dive is about, right? We want to figure out why they might do this, what the process actually looks like, and maybe what bigger trends this points to.
Exactly. So you're fully briefed on how access to top-tier AI might be changing.
Okay, let's start with the what. What did this support page actually say?
All right, so OpenAI calls it verified organization, their words. A new way for developers to unlock access to the most advanced models and capabilities.
A new way. Sounds like a new key almost.
Kind of, yeah. A key for their most powerful upcoming tech. Not necessarily the current stuff, but what's next.
And what is this key exactly? What kind of ID are we talking about?
The main thing they mention is a government-issued ID. Needs to be from a country OpenAI supports via its API.
Okay, sounds simple enough on the surface. Government ID.
Well, yeah, but there are a couple of interesting details. First, one ID can only verify one organization every 90 days.
Okay. Limits gaming the system, maybe.
Perhaps. And here's the kicker. They specifically say not all organizations will be eligible for verification.
Oh, so just having an ID isn't a guarantee.
Apparently not. It suggests there might be other criteria involved, things they haven't really detailed yet.
Right. That not all eligible part. That definitely raises questions. So let's tackle the big one. Why? Why would OpenAI, a company that's pushed for broad access, consider this?
Good question. They actually give a reason on the page itself. They say, and I'm quoting here, at OpenAI, we take our responsibility seriously to ensure that AI is both broadly accessible and used safely.
Okay, safety and responsibility.
Yeah.
Standard stuff.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.